So let's review. You need a nice blanket, a big chunky meditation cushion, buckwheat. It's got to be buckwheat. If it's not buckwheat, this is a disservice to your butt. Several other meditation cushions to stack up and create yourself a throne. Feeling royal here is part of the process. You got to feel royal to overlook your kingdom. A meditation bell, gong, whatever you want to call it. Some incense. Preferably something royal sounding and expensive. Like what I got here, aloes wood. Okay, I looked it up. The most expensive incense is something called agar wood. Wood that sounds like it came out of a petri dish? Agar wood. Just do yourself a favor and walk into the nearest Japanese incense store. and get something with a high price tag. Rule of thumb, if it makes you wince when you pull out your credit card, you're probably on the right track. Do you like luxury? And then, of course, we need the proper garb. Again, royal and expensive sounding here is the best. Silk is so nice on your skin. It's warm and it has healing properties too. And crystals! Lots and lots of crystals so you can get your energy properties all right. And the rule here again holds. The more expensive, the better. And last but not least, a baby. I hope you enjoyed that little sequence. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Seriously, there's really only two things you need to meditate. First is time. And the second thing is a physical mind and body. And that's it. That's all you really need. Basically, if you are a living, breathing human being, you already have everything you need to meditate. I just wanted to make a video that dispels some of the notions out there, some of those things that you might see on social media with people with their perfect bodies and their perfect poses, with their ultra spiritual vibes. And that can be alienating, not to mention unappealing if that's not you. You don't need to have any fancy stuff to enjoy a few moments of stillness in your day. There don't need to be any crystals or incenses or meditation cushions or gongs or even clothing. You can totally meditate naked. And especially now, with the physical distancing from the pandemic, you can't even go out there and get any of these things. I mean, you don't even need to be sitting. No cushion? Stand up or meditate on the floor or do it while walking. No quiet place? There's no way to quiet life. Meditation doesn't require quiet. You could do it on the train, at the park, in a cafe, or on the loudest street corner. I mean, if you're allowed in any of those places nowadays. So realistically, you can do it in your kitchen, your living room, in your bedroom, in your mama's bedroom. No time? Seriously, I get that one a lot. I have no time to meditate. Well, you'd be surprised at how many times in the day that you actually have some space. You can meditate on the elevator, or while climbing the stairs, while walking somewhere to get some fresh air, while eating your lunch, while trying to carefully keep that 6-foot distance while getting groceries. You can do a few minutes right before you get out of bed, or a few minutes right before you go to sleep. You can even meditate on the toilet. What I'm saying is that you have the power and the means to sit down and start making a habit. You already have everything you need, and there's no way to do it wrong. So I'd suggest, if you haven't already given it a try, do it right now. And I mean literally right now. Right now, you're watching a YouTube video, so you must have some time. I'll give it 2 minutes. I'm gonna go away. You'll hear a gong. Still here, huh? Well, I appreciate you and thank you so much for taking the time to meditate. And if you just skipped ahead in the video, I appreciate you still. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also really help me out by hitting the subscribe button. I'm pretty sure it helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.